Have you ever looked up at the night sky and witnessed hundreds of meteors blazing across in a single moment? Not in a science fiction movie, but right before our eyes. A real performance of the cosmos. Every summer, Earth drifts through an ancient stream of cosmic dust, painting the sky with a dazzling shower of light called the Perseids. But in 2025, it'll be different. With a dark sky under the new moon, hundreds of shooting stars could streak by each hour, turning the heavens into a celestial fireworks show. If there's one event that truly reminds you of how small we are in the universe, this is it. And you won't want to miss the Perseids of 2025, a rare chance to connect with the cosmos through your own eyes.
The Perseid Meteor Shower has an extraordinary cosmic origin. Every streak of light you see in the night sky is a tiny fragment of the Comet Swift-Tuttle, a massive ball of ice and rock that orbits the Sun once every 133 years. As Earth passes through the stream of dust it leaves behind, those particles slam into our atmosphere, burning up in brilliant flashes. That's why the Perseids are known as the Queen of Meteor Showers, the most famous and spectacular display of the year. And in 2025, the show will be even more special. A dark sky under the new moon, lasting from mid-July through the end of August, with its breathtaking peak on August 12th and 13th, when the heavens come alive with a storm of falling stars.
But what exactly is a meteor? It's not a star falling from the sky, but a tiny speck of cosmic dust, sometimes no bigger than a grain of sand, slamming into Earth's atmosphere at tens of kilometers per second. The intense friction causes it to ignite, leaving behind a brilliant streak of light across the night sky. Throughout the year, we see many meteor showers, but the Perseids stand out above the rest. That's because the trail of debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle is far denser than most other comets. Each time Earth passes through it, we're treated to countless long glowing streaks, often shining in a bluish-white hue, sometimes lingering for several seconds after they burn across the sky. Under ideal conditions, a dark sky, free from light pollution, you could see 60 to 100 meteors every hour. That means almost every single minute, a new flash of cosmic light streaks overhead, making the Perseids one of the most spectacular celestial fireworks you can ever witness with your own eyes.
In 2025, the Perseids promise something truly extraordinary.
This year's meteor shower will unfold under a new moon, meaning the sky will be completely dark, nothing to wash out those delicate streaks of light. Every shooting star will stand out, brilliant against the deep black canvas of space. Unlike other meteor showers that peak in just a single night, the Perseids linger for days, stretching from mid-July through late August. That gives you more than one chance. You can choose your night, find a quiet, dark place, and let the universe put on its show. Picture yourself standing on open ground, far from cities and streetlights. The summer air is cool, the night is calm, and above you dozens, even hundreds of meteors blaze across the heavens. It feels like the cosmos is setting off fireworks just for you. This isn't only an astronomical event, it's a moment that makes you pause, listen to your own heartbeat, and feel the infinite vastness of space. The Perseids of 2025 aren't just meant to be seen, they're meant to be felt.
Behind the dazzling streaks of the Perseids lies an extraordinary scientific story.
Each flash of light across the sky is nothing more than a tiny speck of dust, sometimes no larger than a grain of sand, crashing into Earth's atmosphere at over 200,000 kilometers per hour. They burn up in seconds, creating what we call shooting stars. All of these particles come from a single source, the Comet Swift-Tuttle. Every time Swift-Tuttle orbits the Sun, it sheds a vast trail of cosmic debris. And once a year, when Earth passes through this trail in August, we witness the breathtaking spectacle of the Perseid Meteor Shower. But Swift-Tuttle is not just any comet. Scientists often refer to it as the most dangerous object known to humanity. Why? Because its orbit directly intersects with Earth's. And with a nucleus more than 26 kilometers wide, a collision in the far future would unleash a catastrophe on a scale far greater than the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. Still, before panic sets in, there's good news. For the next thousands of years, Swift-Tuttle poses no threat to our planet. Instead, it gifts us something far more beautiful, a sky illuminated by trails of cosmic fire, reminding us that the universe is both magnificent and perilous, full of mysteries yet to be solved. So the next time you look up at the Perseids, remember this. You're not just watching a meteor shower. You're witnessing the ancient leftovers of our solar system's creation, billions of years ago.
Now, imagine for a moment, what if, instead of tiny grains of dust, a massive fragment from the Perseids broke free and plunged toward Earth? The difference is staggering. A speck of cosmic dust burns away harmlessly in the atmosphere, nothing more than a fleeting streak of light. But a meteor, the size of a house, or worse, the size of a mountain, would survive the fall. And when it strikes, the impact would release energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. Entire cities could vanish in an instant. Shockwaves would shatter landscapes. Dust and debris would rise into the sky, darkening the sun, disrupting climate, and pushing life on Earth to the brink. So here lies the haunting question. What separates a cosmic light show that inspires awe from a cosmic catastrophe that threatens civilization itself? The answer is size. The Perseids remind us that the line between wonder and destruction can be as thin as a few meters of rock drifting through space. The Perseid Meteor Shower is more than just an astronomical event. It is a reminder of our fragile place beneath the vast cosmos, and a chance to feel connected to something greater than ourselves. Every streak of light that flashes across the night sky is a whisper from the birth of our solar system, a cosmic thread linking us to a story billions of years old. So if you have the chance, step outside, find a dark sky, and let yourself witness Perseid 2025 with your own eyes. And when you do, share your experience in the comments below, because sometimes the greatest discoveries are not just in the stars, but in the way they bring us together.